Hello, Chef here. I got this really awesome red pear and I'm going to decorate it very quickly. First thing I'm going to do is use my channel knife. Wow, it's very, very ripe. Next thing I'm going to do is use my ceramic knife and cut it right down the middle. Very nice clean cut. Carefully remove the core because this baby is so ripe. I like how the ceramic travels through very easily. Minimal waste. Yeah. Very nice. Now, you can do a variety of things here. I'm going to cut these a few different ways. So first I'll move them out of my way, and then I'm going to cut this one into just some cool points. Maybe one more, like this. Very, very nice decorations. You want to see that beautiful color I got going on there. Cool. This one I'm going to just do some slices. Nice, consistent slices. Very, very easy with the right tools. This pear is very ripe, so it's a little bit tricky to work with. Some fine, thin slices are possible because the knife is so sharp. Wow, pear is very, very ripe. And the last one, I'm just going to do a unusual roll cut here. All right, the red pear, perfect for a holiday event or just snacking on. Like, share, subscribe right there. Support your sponsor and learn more about the best ceramic knives on earth. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.